Hi everyone, welcome to Baran Creations. So in this video I will show you how to make Uppillita Nellikka. The other name of this is star gooseberries, starberry and also Malay gooseberries. So it is most famous in Kerala. I ate this first time in Kerala. So from then I loved this. So I thought to share this recipe with you all. So let's start to make. First wash the gooseberries and then pat them dry with towel. Switch on the stove and keep water to boil. Add salt. With 2 cups of water, add salt as per your requirement. After the water has boiled, switch off the stove and leave it to cool down. So till the water cools down, take some green chilies and slice it like this. So keep this aside. So in the salt water, add a pinch of turmeric powder. Now take the gooseberries and put it inside the glass container. So now in the middle add some green chilies. Next again pour the gooseberries. Now in the salt water mix some vinegar, 1/4 cup vinegar. Now pour the salt water. So our Uppillita gooseberries are ready. So leave this overnight to get soaked well. So it is the best way to preserve and it tastes yummy. So you can even make pickle with this. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for more videos. Keep watching Baran Creations.